Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super fun and smart, a funny laptop with a happy face. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be our laptop screen. Now, let's draw two closed eyes near the top. Then, add a small nose in the center. Below the nose, draw a smiley mouth. Make it nice and happy. Let's add two curved eyebrows above the eyes. Great job! Now, draw two thumbs up hands on each side of the screen.
La da 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 dee.
Our laptop is super happy and proud. Next, draw a big rectangle below the screen for the keyboard area. Inside that area, draw little squares for the keys. It's a colorful keyboard. Now, draw a small rectangle in the middle below the keys. That's the touchpad. Whoa! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's now go over the outline again to make it bold and sharp. This helps make our artwork pop. Look at that! Our funny laptop is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Time to color. Let's use our rainbow color pens. Start coloring and say the colors out loud with me. Cream color.
Wow!
Red color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Awesome work, little artists. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can draw with us too. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.